Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of January 2021. So let's start part 1. By which rocket Indian satellite is to carry names of common people in space? Answer: PSLV C-51. Which country has inducted Indian submarine INS Sindhuveer into its navy? Answer: Myanmar. Which state has announced the inclusion of history of Sikh Guru in the school curriculum? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. In which state first rice ATM has to be set up? Answer: Karnataka. Which country is said to join as sixth member of Five Eyes intelligence network? Answer: Japan. Which country has changed a word in its national anthem? Answer: Australia. Who has been awarded the highest civilian honor, knighthood, by the Queen Elizabeth? Answer: Lewis Hamilton. Which state has launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Answer: Jharkhand. Which country's nuclear power generation break the Soviet record? Answer: Russia. Which state will host the 14th Global Healthcare Summit in 2021? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Who is the author of book titled Vahana Masterclass? Answer: Alfredo Covilli. In how many states PM Modi laid the foundation stone for lighthouse projects? Answer: 6. Which state cabinet has approved Dharma Swatantra Bill 2021? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. What is India's rank in the World Economic League Table 2021? Answer: 6th. Who has become India's 67th chess grandmaster? Answer: Leon Menkona. Global Family Day is celebrated on which date? Answer: 1st January. Which state government has launched the mobile application DG Nest? Answer: Punjab. The IAF Chief Air Marshal RKS Bhadoria has launched which governance portal? Answer: e-Office. The world's longest railway platform will be inaugurated in March 2021. What is the length of the platform? Answer: 1505 meters. Which country has passed a bill making abortion valid? Answer: Argentina. The first wooden satellite of the world will be launched by which country in 2023? Answer: Japan. Who has been elected as the president of All India Chess Federation? Answer: Sanjay Kapoor. In which country Tesla has launched its largest supercharger facility? Answer: China. Which bank has launched WhatsApp banking? Answer: Bank of Baroda. What is the range of nuclear capable Agni-V missile? Answer: 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy General Secretary of AIFF? Answer: Abhishek Yadav. The Union Budget 2021 will be presented on which date? Answer: 1st February 2021. What is the capacity of world's largest floating solar energy project at Madhya Pradesh? Answer: 600 megawatts. Which state has launched the M-Pension app? Answer: Manipur. Which state has started the Krishi Sanjeevani Vans to test soil and water? Answer: Karnataka. Who has been appointed as the head of Google Cloud in the Asia Pacific? Answer: Karan Bhajwa. For which state the central government has approved the new NH project of worth 5801 crore? Answer: Maharashtra. Who has become the first women umpire to officiate men's test match? Answer: Claire Polosak. Which Indian origin person has been appointed as the first CIO of the US Army? Answer: Dr. Raj Iyer. Who is the author of book titled Right Under Your Nose? Answer: R. Giridharan. Which state has launched the mobile application Satark Nagarik? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. What is the length of India's first double-stacked long-haul container train? Answer: 1.5 km. For the year 2020, what is the food price index? Answer: 97.9 point. Which organization has adopted 100 Atal Tinkering Labs across the country? Answer: the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO. Nitin Gadkari ji has launched an innovative eco-friendly and non-toxic paint. What is the name of the paint? Answer: Khadi Prakritik paint. India ranked at which place in the Digital Evolution Scorecard 2020? Answer: 4th. Which world's leader Twitter account has been permanently suspended? Answer: Donald Trump. Which one has launched the anti-doping education and learning platform? Answer: the World Anti-Doping Agency. Which nation has sought 2 million doses of Covishield vaccine from India? Answer: Brazil. Which one organized the 4th One Planet Summit 2021? Answer: the France along with United Nations and World Bank. What is the theme of 4th One Planet Summit 2021? Answer: Let's act together for nature. Which social network has been removed by Amazon, Apple and Google for promotion violence? Answer: Parler. Which state government has decided to waive entertainment tax? Answer: Kerala. Which country has top in most powerful passport in the world? Answer: Japan. What was the theme of National Youth Festival 2021? Answer: Yuva Utsaah Naye Bharat Ka. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.